Today, we're talking about one of the most visually striking and collectible coins in modern U.S. history, the 2020 Bat Quarter, officially known as the 2020 National Park of American Samoa Quarter. This coin features a mother bat hanging upside down with her pup, an image so unique on American currency, collectors went absolutely wild for it. But here's the thing most people don't know. Not every Bat Quarter is worth the same. The mint mark on the back of that coin could be the difference between 50 cents and $25 or more. So before you spend it, let's find out exactly what you have is part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program, a massive 56-coin series launched in 2010 and completed in 2021.
Discover the hidden value. Welcome to CoinsMar.
The goal was simple but powerful. Honor the most iconic parks, monuments, and landmarks. The National Park of American Samoa was chosen as the very first release of 2020, and the design team delivered something unforgettable. Instead of the usual eagles and monuments, the reverse side features a Samoan fruit bat mother hanging upside down, cradling her pup. This flying fox species is native to American Samoa and plays a critical role in the island's rainforest ecosystem. The U.S. Mint wanted to showcase biodiversity, and the result? A coin that stopped people in their tracks. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just someone who checks their change, the Bat Quarter has a visual power that's impossible to ignore. Numbers matter in coin collecting, and the 2020 Bat Quarters tell a fascinating story. In total, over 502 million Bat Quarters were produced across multiple mint facilities. The Philadelphia Mint struck approximately 266 million coins, marked with a P. The Denver Mint produced around 236 million, marked with a D. These are the most common versions, and in circulated or average uncirculated condition, they're typically worth to a coin. But then there's the coin that changes everything, bearing the coveted W Mint mark. Only 2 million W Mint Bat Quarters were produced, deliberately released into circulation through the U.S. Mint's special program designed to get coin hunters excited about the hobby. That lower mintage is exactly what drives collector demand, and collector demand drives value. If you find a Bat Quarter with a small W on the obverse date, just above the date, you've found the version every collector is hunting for. The West Point W Mint mark was intentionally placed on a limited run in 2019. As part of an initiative to bring excitement back to coin roll hunting. With only 2 million minted, the W Bat Quarter is scarce by modern standards. In average circulated condition, these coins trade for $5 to $10. In higher uncirculated grades, especially MS65 or above, values climb to $25 to $35, even $50 or more. When professionally graded and slabbed by PCGS or NGC, top condition specimens can command serious premiums at auction. If you're searching through bankrolls or circulation finds, always check that obverse side carefully. The intentionality and real collector value. Confirmed your coin, check the mint mark, and think you have something valuable. Selling rare coins requires strategy. For raw, ungraded coins, platforms like eBay give you direct access to collectors worldwide. List with clear, high-resolution photos of both sides, and always include the mint mark in your title. For certified slabbed coins, consider Heritage Auctions or Great Collections, two of the most respected numismatic auction houses, where serious buyers compete. For quick sales, local coin dealers and coin shows are options. The 2020 Bat Quarter is proof that extraordinary value can hide in ordinary change. From its stunning mint mark that collectors are willing to pay sear money for, this is a coin worth knowing. Check your change, search those coin rolls, look for that W, and if you find one in strong uncirculated condition, you may be holding 25, 50, or even more in the palm of your hand. If this video helped you understand what you're holding, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden treasure finds, and drop a comment below telling me, did you find a W Bat Quarter? I want to know. Until next time, keep searching, because the next great find might already be in your pocket.